Morning children, today we are going to start haloarenes. Haloarenes are halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are compounds containing at least one benzene ring. See here, chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is C6H5Cl. Instead of one hydrogen, if you will put chlorine, then it is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is haloarene. Instead of halo, it is chloro. Here it is bromobenzene, C6H5Br. Instead of halo, if you will put bromo, then it is bromobenzene. Formula C6H5Br. Similarly, third is iodobenzene. Instead of halogen, iodine is here, so it is iodobenzene, C6H5I. Fourth example is dichlorobenzene. This is also dichlorobenzene, and example 6 is also dichlorobenzene. Only the position of group is different. In example 4, both chlorine atoms are present at 1,2 position. 1,2 position is ortho position. So it is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. It is 1,3. Here it is 1, 2 and 3. 1,3 dichlorobenzene or meta-dichlorobenzene. If it is 1, then it is 2, 3, 4. 1,4 dichlorobenzene. This is para-dichlorobenzene. So 1,2 position is ortho position, 1,3 position is meta position, 1,4 position is para position. Similarly, example 7, it is example of trihaloarene. Here it is 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. At carbon 1, 2 and 3, chlorine atoms are present. So it is 1, 2, 3 trichlorobenzene. So many more example you can write yourself. See here, general method of preparation of haloarene. First is from benzene diazonium chloride by Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer reaction is very important reaction. In this, benzene diazonium chloride is treated with CuCl by HCl or CuBr by HBr to form chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, and both are Sandmeyer reaction. Here it is benzene ring, N2 is diazonium, Cl is chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, when it reacts with either CuCl by HCl or CuBr by HBr, chlorobenzene or bromobenzene are formed with evolution of N2 gas. Here N2. This reaction is also Sandmeyer reaction, and this reaction is also Sandmeyer reaction. Second is from benzene diazonium chloride by Gattermann's reaction. Gattermann's reaction is very similar to Sandmeyer reaction. Only the difference is, instead of CuCl by HCl or CuBr by HCl, copper by HCl and copper by HBr is taken. Here it is copper salt, but in Gattermann reaction, copper chips is taken in the place of copper chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Cu by HCl or Cu by HBr to form chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. And third is from benzene diazonium chloride with Ki. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with potassium iodide, it forms iodobenzene. I and benzene ring is iodobenzene. This is not Sandmeyer reaction or Gattermann reaction, but it is method of preparation of iodobenzene. See here, fourth, by electrophilic substitution reaction. Here toluene, methyl benzene reacts with X2. Here X is generally chlorine or bromine. Fluorine is highly reactive and iodine is least reactive. So generally moderately reactive chlorine and bromine are taken. Toluene when reacts with X2 in the presence of iron in dark, then substitution takes place at ortho position or para position. Here it is carbon 1, so this hydrogen and one halogen becomes minus HX, and halogen comes to this place, then it is ortho halotoluene or 2-halo-methylbenzene. If it comes to this place, then it is called para-halotoluene or 4-halo-methylbenzene. Para-halotoluene is 4-halo-methylbenzene and ortho-halotoluene is 2-halo-methylbenzene. Fifth is from benzene by halogenation. Benzene when treated with halogen, then haloarene is formed. Example, when benzene is treated with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous ApCl3 or anhydrous aluminium chloride in dark at temperature 310-320 Kelvin, chlorobenzene is formed. So these are the method of preparation of haloarenes.